We've got our pumpkin. My turn. Woo! This farm is open up every October, and they have a corn maze and just different events for different people. What I like about Central Oregon is, even though we live in a small town, it's about Bend has about 90,000 people. You only have to drive 20 minutes and you're out in the country just like this. And it's just beautiful. As you can see, everyone's really enjoying themselves. I've got my golden ticket.
He's got his golden dream.
Anyways, that's for the maze. I'm lost. I'm lost. Ah!
Well, I ain't gonna work tomorrow, and I ain't gonna work next day. I ain't gonna work tomorrow, for it might be a wet, rainy day.
We made it. We're free. Whee! Yes. Civilization. Where is she? Yeah! Woo! Yes. There she is. Yes. And there's nothing better than funnel cakes to end the day before we go pick our pumpkin. I think this dog wants it too. Yeah. Hello.
Got whipped cream with it.
Whipped cream. I hope the wind doesn't blow it. Oh, I'm out of here. These are pumpkin launchers. Where's Linus? Anybody seen Linus? Great pumpkin's gonna be coming out soon.
Tonight, the great pumpkin rises out of the pumpkin patch. He flies through the air and brings toys to all the children of the world.
Yay! We got the pumpkin.
It was a sassy pumpkin that kept pricking me. Sassy pumpkin.
Goodbye, pumpkins.